In the last 6 months, we have seen Unitree robots performing kung fu, backflips, parkour, and demonstrations that would have seemed impossible just a year ago. We have also seen the company unveil the H2 Plus in collaboration with NVIDIA as an open research platform for the next generation of embodied AI. Humanoid robots have gone from being futuristic prototypes to real products that researchers, companies, or even individuals can actually buy. And that's exactly why so many people are now asking the same question: which Unitree robot should I buy? The problem is that once you visit Unitree's website, things become surprisingly confusing. There are the R1, the G1, the G1 Edo, the H2, and then all these U1, U2, U3 configurations. On top of that, the cheapest G1 can even be programmed, which makes many people wonder, then what's the point of buying that robot? So in this video, I'm going to clear up all that confusion. I will explain what each robot is designed for, how much it costs, who should buy it, and by the end, you will know exactly which Unitree humanoid best fits for your needs. Let's start with the most affordable model, the Unitree R1. Starting at around $4,900, the R1 is designed to make humanoid robots accessible to everyone. It is lightweight, has between 20 and 26 degrees of freedom depending on the version, and includes AI capabilities such as voice and vision interaction. The R1 is designed to make humanoid robots affordable. If you simply want to own a humanoid robot, experiment with its built-in AI features, or use it for demonstrations and education, the R1 Air and the standard R1 are excellent options. If, on the other hand, you want to develop your own software, Unitree also provides the R1 Edu version, with full secondary development capabilities. Next comes the G1, probably Unitree's most popular humanoid robot. Here's where many people get confused. The G1 Basic, which starts at $13,000, is not intended to be a development platform. You can't freely program it or run your own reinforcement learning algorithms on it. Instead, it's designed for demonstrations, exhibitions, education, and showing the robot's impressive capabilities right off the box. If your goal is simply to own a humanoid robot that can walk, move naturally, and demonstrate advanced locomotion, the basic versions are perfectly fine. But if you are a researcher, a university, or a developer, what you actually want is the G1 Edu. This is the version that includes the full SDK, ROS2 support, NVIDIA Jetson compute, and secondary development capabilities. It is the model used for reinforcement learning, Isaac Lab, Mujoko, robot manipulation, and AI research. It also comes in different versions named U1, U2, U3, and higher, which simply add more capabilities, such as additional degrees of freedom, a 3 degrees of freedom waist, dexterous hands, or more powerful onboard computing. Think of them as different hardware configurations of the same research platform rather than completely different robots. Finally, we have the H2. Starting at about $29,000, the H2 is a full-size industrial humanoid. At 180 centimeters tall, with much more powerful actuators and significantly more computing, it's built for industrial applications, warehouse automation, and advanced embodied AI research. So, which one should you buy? Well, if you are looking for the lowest cost humanoid to learn and experiment with AI, choose the R1. If you want the best research platform robotics, reinforcement learning, and ROS2 development, choose the G1 Edu. If you simply want an impressive humanoid robot for demonstrations without doing low-level programming, the G1 Basic is enough. And if you're building industrial humanoid applications or need maximum performance, the H2 is the right choice. Hopefully, this clears up the naming confusion. Once you understand the purpose of each robot, choosing the right Unitree humanoid robot becomes much easier. But before you go, let me ask you something. Maybe you are not just looking to buy a humanoid robot. Maybe you want to understand how they actually work and learn how to build, program, and train them yourself. If that's you, we have created the Humanoid Robotics Masterclass at the Construct Robotics Institute. In this hands-on, fully online program, you'll build your own human-sized humanoid robot at home while learning everything that goes into modern humanoid robots. Mechanical design, electronics, control, ROS tools, simulation, reinforcement learning, whole body control, teleoperation, and even vision language action models. You will also get hands-on experience by using a Unitree G1, both in simulation and remote access to the real G1 that we have at our offices in Barcelona. So whether your goal is to become a humanoid robotics engineer, develop the next generation of AI-powered robots, or simply stay ahead in one of the fastest growing fields in robotics, this masterclass is designed to get you there. You can learn more and enroll by visiting the Construct Humanoid Robotics Masterclass. I'll put the link into the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Unitree humanoid robot would you choose and why. I will see you in the next video.